Copilot or not Copilot? That is the question. Isn't that right? Hi everyone, I'm back from another travel, as many of you know. And basically, I went to Australia in December, and I'm still publishing videos about it because I made many video clips, and now I'm trying to merge them and post-edit them and create more focused videos on a specific topic. So don't be surprised if you see now and then new videos. I'm post-editing them on my free time. Now I'm back. I'm not on holidays anymore. I'm back to work full time. So don't be surprised if you see now and then some videos about my last travel. But this video is not about my travel. This video is about Copilot Pro. I already made a video about Copilot for Microsoft 365 for enterprises. And in this video, I'm going to touch base on Copilot Pro, which is for individuals. So basically, everyone can now access Copilot. And I will put the link in the description of this video so you can scroll down if you are from a browser and check out the description. You will click on the link, and then here you will have to click on Introducing Copilot Pro. If you click here, it will open a page with more information about it. And in a nutshell, basically, you will access more or less the same services. So you will have Copilot, in other words, the chatbot, even if the term is not exact. Basically, what was the Bing chat is now called Copilot. And you will have it inside Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and OneNote, basically. And as I said before, now it's more accessible, so you can subscribe to this service for $20 per month per user. And I will create a video about using it. I will probably subscribe to this service, and I will create a video while using it in multiple applications. So that's pretty much it for today. You can give it a try and let me know how it goes. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye.